Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Adam with Good Life Construction, and here's your Free Tip Friday. So we got a skill saw here. Don't worry, I've pinned the blade, but I also took out the battery, so this isn't a live saw. Right here, they've made this saw specifically to work so you have 1.5 inches or 3.5 inches off the blade, which is one side of a 2x4. If you go off the other side of the blade, we're sitting pretty right there at 1.5 inches, which is 100% planned by the manufacturer. So if you ever need a quick rip, you just line your finger up with this guide and run it down the plywood, and you'll either get 1.5 inches or 3.5. Here's an example. So if I was to take the saw and line my finger up right where this track flushes out with the plywood, I'll make a quick cut. And then if we look at this, my cut was a perfect 1.5 inches. Now if I was to come on the other side and use the other side of the blade, the guide right here, and make a cut there, keep it perfectly lined up with that edge. We take a look, measure it, and we're at 3.5 inches. So whatever side of the blade you're using, you can either get 1.5 inches rip or a 3.5 rip, which is the perfect size for a 2x4. There's your Free Tip Friday.